دي مش موجودة هناخد. Okay. يبقى هنا when we want to find the variable, if we find any operation like this, 2.4 minus r, we want 1.2, we subtract the two numbers, the greatest minus the smallest. Where will we write the numbers? We want the greatest number here in the largest rectangle, like this, 2.4. Then the smallest number, 1.2, here. And the variable here, r.
Oh.
We want to find r, we will subtract the two numbers. Okay, then we get the value of r. When we subtract the two numbers, we will get 1.2. If we have two numbers and addition between them, we will subtract again, but subtract the greatest number, 5.24 minus 2.15, like this. The greatest number here, 5.24 or 24 hundredths here in the largest rectangle, and the two values are here, 2.15, and to find n, we will subtract the two numbers, the greatest minus the smallest. When will you use addition to find the variable? Look at this example. Here, this example, we will subtract, we will add, sorry. Why we will add? Because we have variable minus the number. When we find variable minus a number, we use addition, okay? These are the three cases we have. Let's see a different example. Okay, what will we do in this one, Yusuf? It's page 93, exercise of this list. Okay, will you add numbers or will you subtract the two numbers?
I will
Add, very good. We have variable, then minus. Variable minus, we use addition. Okay, we will add the two numbers, but write them vertically. Okay, we can write them like this, but start from the left side. 6 plus 5 equal 8.
6 plus 5.
Yes. We have two digits here in decimal parts and two digits here. 6 plus 5 equal 8.
11.
Equal 11. 1 and carry up 1. 1 plus 2 and 4.
1 plus 2, 3.
So
3.
4.
1.
3 plus
2.
We add the numbers. Here we have 2 and 1 means 3. And 4.
3 and 4, 7.
7. Here we will write 7. Then drop down the decimal point. Go to the whole number. Here we have 0 and here we have 2. And we adding the two numbers. So what
okay, 2 plus 0 equal 2.
Equal 2. So the answer is 2.71. Okay. Do you have a question?
Okay.
Have you understood?
Yes, teacher.
Now we will see some story problems. Okay.
Okay.
Have many story problems on your book, the exercise, but we will see only two story problems. Let's read this one. Read the problem, Ya Yusuf, and tell me what did you understand. You, Yusuf, read the question. Ola needed.
Oh, I read it. Okay. Ola needed 10 meters of wood to build a garden bed.
Okay.
She found 3 and 5 meters.
Yeah.
And her George, how many more meters of wood does she need for the bed?
Okay.
Okay.
What will you do?
Ola needed 10 meters.
Okay.
She found 3 and 5 meters.
She didn't find all the amount of wood she needs. She only found 3 and 5 times meter in her garage. How many more meters of wood does she need?
Okay, she needs 7
Yes.
point 7 and 5.
Are you sure? 7 and 5?
No, 6 and 5. 6
6
and
and
5.
5. Very good. What did you do? Which operation did you use? Addition or subtraction?
I do subtraction.
You used subtraction. Very good. We subtract 10 minus 3.5. If we use
Okay.
the bar model like this, when will you write? Where will you write 10?
I will the 10 in the largest
The largest rectangle. Very good. يبقى هنا هنحط 10 and 3.5, and we have variable, some missing number. Put any letter you want. We can use the letter A, B, X, W, anything. So we use W as variable. Now we understand that this variable, this missing number, when we add it with 3.5, we will have 10. To get this missing number, we will subtract 10 minus 3.5. When you do that, you will have 6.5 meters. Okay? How did we subtract? We just write 10 like this, 10.0. Okay? Because we want to subtract decimal numbers and we don't have decimal digits. Okay?
minus 3 and 5.
Yes, we borrow 1 from 10. This one will be 9 and this one will be 10. 10 minus 5 equals 5. And 9 minus 3 equals 6. And of course, we have the decimal point. So your answer is correct. And this is these are the steps of the answer. Now we finished this one. Let's see another story problem. In the same page, 95. No, 96. What did you understand this time, Yusuf? Let's read. At the
What, teacher?
Yes, read it, of course. You can read it.
Okay. At the market, Basim bought 2 million for a total
watermelon, yeah.
weight of 264 kilograms. If 1 million were weight
اللي هو وزنها يعني. Weight
with 136 kilograms.
Yes.
What was the weight of the other melon?
Yes. So we have the total weight of the 2 melons and we have the weight of 1 melon. So what will we do? If we write it here in the bar model, what will we write?
Okay, we will subtract.
We will subtract to get the weight of the other melon, of course. But what will we write here? The total, what is it? The greatest
2.64.
Very good. The greatest number, 2.64 here, kilogram, of course. And we have one of the two ways here. And the other one is the variable, missing number. We don't know it. We will put letter X, maybe A, anything you want. So,
okay, we will put here in the small rectangle 1 and 36.
And the other missing number, you can put any letter you want.
Okay.
We'll use X. We know if we add these two numbers, we will get the greatest number. But if we need X, how can we find it? What will you do?
I will do 6.
Huh? Will you add or subtract the numbers?
Add.
You will add these two numbers, the greatest number and the smallest number. Then you will get X. Are you sure?
No.
This is missing number. Again, assume smaller numbers. If we have here bar model, we have here 10. And we have here 2. How can we find this missing number? Will you subtract 10 minus 2 or will you add 10 plus 2?
10 minus 2.
Minus, of course. So you will subtract
Okay,
two numbers.
I will subtract 1.136 kilograms minus 2
We need to write the
and
greatest number first. The greatest number first. So we will start with
4 kilograms minus 1.36 kilograms.
3600. So can you subtract the numbers?
Okay, 4 minus 6 equal 2.
We better to write it vertically like this, okay? 1.36. We have the same number of digits, 2 digits here. So 4 minus 6, can you take 6 from 4?
No.
You need to borrow 1. From which digit?
4.
4 will be a
2.
We will subtract. We can't take 6 from 4. You will borrow 1 from 6. 6 will be 5, and 4 will be what? We borrow 1. 14.
14 minus 6 equal 8.
Equal 8. Do you know why do we borrow 1 from the next digit, Yusuf?
Because he rich number.
No, it's smaller than. You can't take 6 from 4. If you have 4 things, I can't take 6. Okay?
Okay.
So we borrow 1 from 6. 6 became 5 and 4 became 14. 5 minus 3 equal which number?
2.
2. When we have decimal point, we need to drop down the decimal point. Here we have
decimal
1.
Point 2 minus 1 equal 1.
Equal 1. So the answer is?
The total is 1.28 kilograms.
Kilograms. Okay. That's all we have today. I want you to read all story problems in your book. If you have any question, any problem, send to me. I don't want you to forget your homework. You need to practice a lot. Okay, Yusuf?
Okay, teacher.
Have many stories. Look at this problem like this. We don't only have 2 numbers and 1 variable. We have 3 numbers. If we have 3 numbers here and 1 number here and variable here, we can join these 2 numbers as 1 number. So we will add 2 plus 6 equal 8, 1 plus 3 equal 4, and drop down the decimal point, 2 plus 3 equal 5. Now we have a problem with 2 numbers and 1 variable. Okay?
Okay.
Do you understand this case? If we have 2 numbers, add the 2 numbers to get 1 number. Here, the same example. You will add these 2 numbers, so you will get 1 number here, plus n equals 7. To find n, you will subtract. And here also, if we want to find h, we will subtract. Subtract the greatest minus the smallest number. Okay? That's all. Do you have any questions?
No, teacher, thank you.